We have a brand new 2022 392 coming through. He brought his Corsa Xtreme catback system. All right, so these come with the black tips. We're not going to remove this until, you know, we install everything. That way we prevent them from getting scratched. 2 3/4 inch piping right there. It has these mufflers in the back. It claims that it's going to be more pretty loud, like extreme sound with like no drone. We'll see. And then it is a fully bolt-on system, and these are 4.5. Looks like the black chrome tips. These things are hard, so we're gonna install it real quick, you know, a few nuts and bolts. You could probably do this in your front yard if you want, but you should bring it to your local exhaust shop. And if you're in South Florida, you bring it to the best exhaust shop in the world. All right, we're gonna install it and then hear it. Let's do it. 392. Do you, Joe? Do you? We're clamping it on right now. If you do this in your driveway, you might need 2 people because it's very important to align the tips. That might be an issue for you. If it's not on the lift, etc., you're fucking under the car like this, then you're gonna have to loosen the bolts, adjust it, then reclamp. But again, it's a pretty simple system. Or you can bring it to your local exhaust shop. I can't wait to hear how this sounds. All right, go.